866-439-5277 or 503-417-7575. Tell Deborah that I'm going to get to her after the break, and I'll tell you why. I want to give her enough time
to Lars say it was a beautiful day
back in just a moment.
Oregon State. Imagine that. 30 miles up the road. Freaking rain and cold and miserable here again today, every day.
Live on the OSU campus in the quad. If you want to know where we are, come on by and buy some tickets for the drawing going on later today. You're listening to the Lars Larson Show. News Radio 1120 KBNW.
Well, today we're just drinking soda. Actually, I just took the head for this 10 horsepower diesel up to my buddy Don's house. I needed a tool to take the valves out of it. This is the head. So we got the valves out. One I was concerned about was the exhaust valve. Hey. One I was concerned about was the exhaust valve. It looked pretty crapped up from the veggie oil that I was using as fuel. We cleaned them up. They look great. They look great. There's nothing wrong with these whatsoever. Don't know whether I'm supposed to separate them. Don't know whether there's different tensions in the springs or any of that kind of stuff. So we're keeping them separate. But drizzly out here as usual. Now, of course, the rain just started coming this way instead of going that way as it was a couple minutes ago. I'm gonna get freaking rained out here. Son of a bitch. I hate Oregon. Did I ever tell anybody how much I hate freaking Oregon? Freaking April 15th. It's still 40 degrees, freaking rainy, drizzly shit weather. And that's some nice stuff I have to say about it.